There are thousands of boats like this. The local rower used to carry the passenger go along the river for 1 hour 45 minutes. So now we are at the Tam Coc boat for 1 hour 45 minutes. I go with my party member, Vero party secretary. Oh, I'm The water is very clean, emerald water with many trees, mountains around. Very beautiful. Sometimes water can drop on the head, water from the ceiling. Sometimes we have to bend down to make sure the head don't touch the ceiling. We go around the cave under the mountain. We are inside the cave, the third cave, Tam Coc. Very interesting place. The ceiling is very low to the head. You see there's a river here. It's beautiful, beautiful sight here.